Okay guys, so another quick look at Bitcoin charts to actually see what the future holds for Bitcoin. So the chart before me is a Bitcoin chart. So immediately I'll take a quick dive into this analysis. So the first thing to do is to spot my trading range. So how do I get to know my trading range? This is my trading range. So I'm going to put this here. I'm using my magnetic tool. So this is actually my trading range. Okay, so this is so this point is my cell climax. Yeah, okay. So this is my cell climax. Then this is my automatic rally AR. Okay, so there is a lower wick here. Okay, yeah. So this is my automatic rally. So then this is my secondary test, which is ST. Okay, so this is my secondary test. Now I don't know if you can really see this so well, but when I go to a lower time frame, you're going to see a better representation here. So I know people have been complaining that I like using little or tiny charts, tiny bars of candle and all that. I actually prefer it because it actually crops a lot of information within like what you're seeing here. I can actually see the entire flow of the market, quite unlike when I go to when I make my candles much bigger, you can see I can't really see the whole. So that is why I love to, you know, have my chart this way. So this is my secondary test, and then now you're going to look for a move above your selling climax, or sorry, this is the a buy climax. So sorry, so sorry. This is actually a buy climax, not a sell climax. Is an accumulation schematic. Okay, let me get this out. So this is actually a BC, that is buy climax. Sorry about that. So now after spotting your buy climax and your automatic rally, and then your secondary test, okay, so looking at this, you actually discover that there was a price rejection at this point. So if I turn um my Fibonacci tool, okay, I don't know if you can see this. Oh, what is wrong with this? Okay, so if I turn my Fib, you're actually going to see my level at this point. Yeah, okay, my distance is on, sorry. So you're going to see my level at this point. So I will just drag this. Okay, this will actually be my point of liquidity. A point of liquidity, as you can see here. So this is actually my point of liquidity. Now I'm going to look for a move above my liquidity point or above my buy climax. So after the secondary test, sorry, this should go here. So after my secondary test, there is a move above my buy climax, of which if I turn to a much lower time frame, like let's use the 2 hours time frame and see what we get. Okay, let's use the 1 hour. So using the 1 hour time frame, you can really see, okay, you can really see it well, but I'm sure you can see some weekend action here. Oh, I really wanted to see this. You can see some weekend action here. Can I go to a much lower time frame? 30 minutes time frame. Okay, let's see what we got there. Okay, so this is it. This is actually what we got. But that is a much lower time frame. So I'm going back to my high time frame. So looking at this, you can see this move above. So this is now your spring, the spring point, or as others will call it, your porch. Okay, which I could really have something like this and then color it. Okay, fill it with say green. Okay, so by the time I move this here, you can actually see this point. This is my spring point. Okay, so after the spring point, you just turn on your Fibonacci tool. In other words, none a lower price move at this point. So after you must have been able to identify your spring. You now come here and choose the zone. This is now your supply zone. Your supply zone. I hope you can see this well. I hope you can see this well. Oh God. But I should really zoom so you all can see what I'm trying to represent here. Okay, let me take this out. Okay, so if I take that out, okay, you're actually going to see this zone here. Okay, you can actually see this zone here. So leaving price will come back for the zone, or will come back close to the zone, just like what you can see here. If you check here, there was actually a weekend action here, a weekend action here. So if you were actually to sell this BTC, and that's if you're a forex trader, you would have actually after the spring launched, you know, an entry here, an entry point here. So now what does the future hold for Bitcoin? What the future holds for Bitcoin is that Bitcoin is actually on a downtrend, on a downtrend. So okay, I can also see another point here. This is last point, weak point, your weak point, price trying to establish a lower low, lower high, lower low after the spring. So you're going to see something like lower low, lower high. Then you will now have a low that will be below this very low, something like this. Then lower high. Remember, there was a change of character. There was actually a change of character at the spring point. So you now have a lower high, a high that is lower than this previous one. So you're going to have another one that is, then after this, another one. Sorry. So I'll take this lower. Oh, sorry about that. So I'm gonna take this lower. So after that, you now have price, forming something like this, which is what we call consolidation. So price is gonna consolidate at this point, and then the next thing you now have a break below your automatic rally point. Okay, after which it must always come back to zone to retest zone before you now have a draw down. So Bitcoin, as you can see, the trajectory is actually bearish. So Bitcoin is going to go down, and this bearish move is actually good for the market. Good in the sense that you have to understand that Bitcoin is the number one crypto coin. It controls over 90% of market volume. The rest 10% are being shared by the over 6,000 shitcoins or altcoins. So Bitcoin controls the entire volume, close to the entire volume of the market. So now nothing goes up forever and nothing goes down forever. So Bitcoin has actually established, an uptrend at close to $110,000 mark. So after that, you need that retracement, you need that pullback, you need that downward move so that volume two can flow to shit coins. Okay, now I know people have been asking, why is it that it's only Bitcoin that has been on the rise and shit coins are still down, down, down? Even our coins on the Blockbusters Telegram group has been down, down, down. We mostly do shit coin there. So people have been asking and all that. The reason is because Bitcoin has refused to give this retracement. This retracement is healthy because once this retracement is established, what happens is that money, volume will now flow to other coins, which is shit coins. So you now see life coming back to the shit coins. So now, why has it been close to very hard? Because ever since Bitcoin actually uptrended since November 2024, it has actually been maintained that high move, that high price move. Now, why is this? Why is this happening now? The reason for this is because institutions are now the one in control of Bitcoin. Like I said in the previous analysis, MicroStrategy holds close to, I don't know, the last I checked, with over 1,000 Bitcoin. MicroStrategy is a software company that has invested so much in Bitcoin. And others too, even Elon Musk, Tesla is also holding Bitcoin and all that. And you don't expect these guys to just sell off like that. They are now the institutions that have the fund to raise price, and they are the reason why Bitcoin has been able to move from a low of $50,000 to a high of 100 and almost $110,000. So when institutions are in control, you have this slow move. But no matter how hard they hold on to it, price must do its thing. Price must do its thing. After an uprise in price, there must be that retracement. That retracement is needed to go find more buy orders for another price move. And remember, I have said in the previous analysis, if you not watch them, please go over them and watch all of them. I had said in the previous analysis that this Bitcoin was going to get to a high of 300,000 plus dollars. Yes, I made that prediction, but the first phase was the $100,000 mark, and that has been achieved. So expect a little downtrend, and after which you now see price launching a a counter move, to break the previous high of $110,000. So Bitcoin, the future is bright for Bitcoin, and Bitcoin is going to get to as much as $300,000. But before that, you need this retracement. You need this retracement so price can go find buy orders before another upward move. So guys, currently, Bitcoin is on a downtrend, and the price of Bitcoin will fall. Currently, the price is at $102,000. So expect price to fall below $90,000. Yes, price is gonna fall below $90,000. Then, after that downtrend has been exhausted, now you now have another, uptrend scene that will now see price move above the previous high of 109 or 100, approximately $110,000. So, guys, this is a very important analysis. So, if you've not gone through other analysis, please go through them, and don't also forget to like, share, and subscribe to this channel for more informative analysis. So when you see this price drop come on Bitcoin, don't panic. I repeat, don't panic. Just know that price is going down, to look for more orders to now give it that upward move that will now see it break through the previous 109 plus $1,000. So Guys, let's make a kill and watch out for my next analysis, because in the next analysis I'm going to look at another important crypto coin. Oh god, you can't wait to actually see this analysis. Very important. So I'm gonna tell you, bring to you a coin that has the potential of doing above 100%, even above 100%, 200%, and even above 300% such. Yes, it is right here in front of me. So, guys, endeavor to go over to subscribe to this channel so that as the next analysis draw, trust me, you all need to see this next analysis. You can, you know, make a buy and also make a kill of it. I'm here to serve you all. So, guys, bye for now and watch out for the next video.